So this is our Agentforce service agent created with the type of agent being service agent. So we have implemented in this agent the Agentforce data library feature with both the types, knowledge and file upload. Here we have added to data libraries as knowledge agent library and document agent library for the data source as files and knowledge. Following are the knowledge articles that have been published in our org and made available to the agent using the data library feature. Also, we have set up the data cloud objects like the data stream object. The search indexes and the respective retrievers for the agent. So, within our agent builder to the left side panel, we have option to select the data library to use for agent. Here we have our two libraries that we have added. Let us select the knowledge agent library for now and click the save button. The selected library will act as a source to answer the queries for the general FAQ topic. Let's ask a query to agent using a question from the knowledge base. Suppose we ask the following query of the knowledge article we added in the chat window of the agent. So now the Atlas reasoning engine of the Agentforce will analyze and figure out the response for the query using the data library and general FAQ topic of the agent. So here is the response generated by the agent from the knowledge articles field. So next we switch the data library to the documents agent library with following file, which is for a tour package, and then save the new library. Next, refresh the conversation preview box as we have updated the new library and start a new session of the agent. The uploaded file is a PDF document for a tour package. So, I am going to ask this agent the question like, what is the cancellation policy of the package? On asking this, the agent will analyze and figure out the response for my query, and using the contents of the PDF document, it will generate me a proper response. Like this. So this is the response to our query by the agent that it has fetched and generated from the uploaded documents content of our specific data library. And that's all we have right now on in Agentforce.